Concrete building blocks weigh 28 pounds each, using B for the number of concrete blocks and W for the weight. Write two equations that relate the two variables. One equation should begin with W equals, and the other should begin with B equals. Write the first equation and use B as your variable. So when we're using B as our variable, that means for this one, we're going to start with W equals. So what this says is that the weight is equal to, let's think about it. So every time that you put one of these concrete blocks down, that gives us 28 pounds. And then you put another one and another one and another one, right? So for every one of those blocks, which we're going to use the letter B to represent one block, you're going to multiply that by the 28 pounds. So if you have one block, it's 28 pounds. If you have two blocks, it's 2 times 28 pounds. If you have 3 blocks, it's 3 times 28 pounds, and so on and so forth. So as I start to think about this table, it's less important to actually have the totals and more important to look for the pattern. So what I see is that for each of these, the weight is equal to the number of blocks, which is B, multiplied by the weight of one block, which is 28 pounds. So now I can start to build this equation where I say, well, the weight is equal to 28 times the number of blocks. That's the equation that we were supposed to build. If you chose the common wrong answer of W equals 1B, so that would say that basically the total weight was equivalent to just the weight of one block. So if you wrote this, I wonder if maybe you forgot or you didn't read that each block weighs 28 pounds. So you forgot to include the piece about the 28 pounds when you were writing your equation.